Hey, welcome back. We're studying English pronunciation. Let's learn English 88 for Gary Dawson Smith. We are working on the back vowels now in English. Vowels are very important to learn in English because they're in every single word. So let's just do a review of all the back vowels. As you notice when you're part of this course, I like doing a lot of review. The reason we do a lot of review is because, quite simply, you're going to forget things unless we review them. So whenever you're learning anything, review is very, very important to make sure you do just even a little bit of review each time you study. Okay, you ready? So hand under the chin. Let's do oo, o, ah. One more time. Oo, o, ah. Good. Those are the back vowels. Today we are going to be studying So let's practice going from oo to Notice my jaw just drops down a little bit, and the tongue is going to drop a little bit down to oo, So let the tongue drop a little bit, and the jaw drop a little bit, and the lips stay pretty relaxed on this one. So ready? Oo, So this sound is as in cook, Oh, I'm introducing this right here. This is called IPA. If you look at a lot of dictionaries, you're going to see like the IPA spelling. The IPA stands for the International Phonetic Alphabet, and it's a way of putting all these sounds into the alphabets for you to understand. Okay, so we already covered how to make the sound. So let's repeat after me. Ready? Cook, book, good, cook, book, good, shook, push, wood, Oh, your turn. Cook, book, good, shook, push, wood. All right, and so we have some spelling variations. It can be with a U, two O's, or an OU. Ready? Pull, pull, push, wood, wood, cookie. I think we all like cookies. Cookie, could, should. Your turn. Pull, push, would, cookie, could, should. Take a good look. Take a good look. Take a good look. You are good looking. You are good looking. You should practice good English. You should practice good English. All right, very good. That's good. See you in the next lesson.